how to make the Gingerbread Kiki's cottage she moved out from home to Cockrow. It's from Kiki's delivery service. You have to make a house with snack boxes, and to put them together you have to have icing, graham crackers, but for the grassy leafy and leafed roof and the bushes and the grass, to have green liquid for the icing. For the windows, they're white and you put black in the middle, like real windows. To make the broomstick, you have to glue put icing on a pretzel stick and put marshmallows to make look like a broomstick. And make cutouts. You can make your own. Make these characters. Kiki's leaving for Cockrow with Gigi, saying goodbye to her parents, aunts and uncles, and her gang. She's leaving at midnight. She takes her mother's broom. She says it's old. And now she has to be strong and be careful. And she's going to get along with the boys, like Tombo. If you don't know what the house looks like, you can use the picture of this. And that's how to make Kiki's cottage that she moved out.